Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive to easily make your files shareable with others so they're saved in the cloud, so you save space on your device and you can access them anywhere, anytime, no matter where you are, if you're on a home computer, personal computer, and to make sure that if you ever happen to, have an issue with your laptop or your computer, that you don't lose your files. So Google Drive here in our district, we have unlimited storage. So you should be good to upload anything and everything that you want. And you can even convert some of your files too. So right now I'm just going to show you how you can upload files. There's a couple of ways you can do this. So you'll need to go to drive.google.com and then you'll click new. And that's one way you can upload files. You can upload individual files or a folder. If you're uploading more than one file, if you do control and then click, that can help you select multiple files. Otherwise, you can upload an entire folder if you would like. Other things that you can do. So if I click new, file upload, it's going to open a window here and I can upload like this document that I made and I upload it. And then over here in this right-hand corner, it tells me that it's uploaded and I can open it and make that shareable via a link with other people. The other thing that you can do is if you have lots of folders that you want to move over, lots of files, and you don't really feel like just going through and clicking through every single one, what you can also do is drag and drop. And that's actually what I like to do because I feel like it's a little bit more efficient. So if I want to upload this entire folder here or this one, I can easily do that. Maybe I have some picture folders that I want to upload. I can do that too. So I'm just going to drag and drop and move that over. And then it shows me that it's there and successful. And if there are things in that folder, those would all be individually uploaded as well. So that is how you upload to Google Drive.